Okay, so what I'm doing is using some Texture Magic and black swamp mud to create a base layer. And the reason I'm doing this with the swamp mud is I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone, because it's adding a little bit more texture than normal swamp mud to give tooth. And you're wondering maybe what that white is. Well, actually it was some acrylic paint from a painting I was working on, and I mixed it with Texture Magic and it worked great. So I'm just stippling it on, moving it around, and I felt like it needed a little bit more extra, so I added the Texture Magic to Onyx and just kind of randomly placed it in areas I wanted to see a little bit more texture in preparation for the finish I want to do. Hey there, this is Kathy of ReImagined Surfaces. That was just a little snippet of what I'm going to be starting on my live video on Miss Lillian's page on Monday, February 13th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. See ya. Bye.